So in this video, I'm just going to show how I have a template set up. Now the template here is normally just blank. It would look like this pretty much. And I'm just going to show you each section here, like the aqua blue and the pink. Now it's all just set up as the same. So in this order, I have the top track being the drums, and then the next two, synth 1, synth 2. So what I have is a little template made up. And each track actually also has a line in, which you'll see. Now I have copied all of these down to all 12 section colors that are possible. I'm just going to show you how I have these set up. Okay, so what I did was I moved all of the line in tracks on all the sections to the top so that it's easier for me to switch through if I want to, say, work on something. So let's just press play, and what I'm going to do is record more things on the next track. So now what I can do is go in Arranger here. Now what I have is the line in, and that's just extended pretty far. So I don't have to worry about the line in cutting in or out. Line in, drum 1, synth 1, and synth 2. And now I can just draw in everything that I want pretty quickly. And the thing about this is you can go as far as you want. So you can go on and on with your song, and there are no limitations. Also, I want to mention that in each of these tracks, there's no length limitations either. So I can just keep going as long as I want to. So this means we have a whole lot more flexibility than just using the one unit here. You can actually work them all together. Since you can extend this in such a flexible way, you can really start making some interesting tracks. What I just did, I just removed some of these instances so we can press play and listen to hear how it turned out. So I'm going to go into synth 1 here. We're going to use that same template, and now we're looking, press shift synth 1 so we can see the presets here. So if I press play, we have preset 1 playing. However, if I press this down, and again, you can switch the preset for that track. So let's go back, and now we're back into this view. We're going to go down to this one, and this has different notes playing. And we're just going to press play. Press down on this, PGM, let's switch it. Switch it to that one. So now if we switch between these two, it's going to switch the preset. You can also do this on synth too. Okay, so let's say you want to look into micro stepping. So right now we're in 16th note view. So if you want to get closer, you can actually go into 64th. And then you can start doing some offbeat notes. You can also do this on synths, so let's just zoom in and play some notes here. Also, we can do conditionals. So let's say I can work in a 16-step drum loop. I can actually just add conditionals right there, and now we're using circuit with conditionals. So just bringing down all the conditions, 60%, 75%, etc. And now it's always going to be playing something different, even though we just programmed that in. You can also do that with synths. So let's just do some notes here. Let's make these 50. So now it's going to pick either one or the other. Turn down the conditional on this. So it's always going to be a different pattern, and we have control over what notes are going to be playing.